Hello guys, today I just want to show you my trade, what I did today, and give you a quick update on how I read the order flow today. Yeah, so basically I came onto the session here at 5 p.m. Didn't see any good trades I can do at this time. Then I missed one trade. I didn't even saw it at this time, but who gives a fuck? I don't want to jump into trades I don't see. And yeah, where it comes to my trade was over here. So basically at this time we had the high of the day. We broke the high of the day, then aggressive buyer stepped in, came into the market. You can also see it in the CVD, the cumulative volume data. And at this time, I just draw the volume here so I can understand where market participants are likely to accumulate, or where high volume nodes are. So I have a vision of the area. So you have two options here. You either go aggressive with them, like you buy in to the market at this time you see it, or you wait for the pullback. At this time, or my strategy is based on pullbacks. If I want to trade position building, if I scalp, I also do like quick in scalps and go out. But for position building, I'm using the pullback method to be have a more confidence to trade the scenario. So the market went up, and you also can see here the POI. This is the white line. I can show you. This is the uh, the daily chart with the monthly profile, and this is very important because this zone here I marked before I traded. I want to see where the market can potentially reverse, and at this time here we had a high volume edge, and above that there's low volume until the 25,950 around that area. So I basically marked me this high volume edge, and then let me come back to the to the trade so you understand more how I read the order flow as well. So basically the market had a rejection over here. Also I use the options, the max gamma and the negative gamma and the positive gamma. The positive gamma is as a wall. So if we are in a breakout and there are many major positive gamma above, I'm not going to like skyball or skyrocket the market to the 26,000 or whatever. I try to be realistic, and I don't want to trade against the wall. That's basically it. And I use the negative gamma as a support, and also for a confluence when I'm trying to see or trying to trade along. This as a little excursus. So basically what I did here was I waited for the pullback, and you can also see the volume this time was around here. I want to see the pullback into these aggressive buyer, and here it comes to the point. Okay, if these aggressive buyers are not in charge anymore, the market will go down. But you can see here the market went down, and the aggressive buyer also stepped in again and like kind of absorbed these sellers here. So that's why I entered my first trade above all these aggressive buyers. And then I also like wanted to scale in my trade and basically use this high volume node over here and got filled in with a little bit of slippage. And also you can see here on the top that there are 144 contracts aggressive again. At this point, you want to see the market go even higher. But here, the market just got filled in and then went down again. And for this trade, my stop, when I had the position here opened, my stop was below this POC, this point of control, and also below these aggressive buyers, around like $940 and or 94 ticks. You can see it how you want it. So yeah, this was basically my stop loss, and my target was at the high of the day, so around here. So basically risk reward like 1-to-1. Or my bigger target, my potential bigger target was the 26,000, where I can build my position and scale into the position. But you can see the market wasn't going to give me this price at this time, but I didn't even know before. And yeah, so my take profit is always 600 ticks. So I don't give a limitation on the profit, but I'm managing my stop loss dynamically, where the order flow is last to step in. And if this point here would break, I don't want to have my stop below here, because that makes no sense. And yeah, you can see the market went down. The POC had a good support for me. Also the buyers here, I don't know if they stepped in again. I don't even know if they in the market at this point. But this was the zone I saw. Okay, here that makes sense for me. My target is 600 ticks. My stop loss is like around 1,000 euros with 2 contracts. Why not? And at this point, we broke these this structure here, where you can see this structure we broke over here, and the market didn't even go further down, because we are in the long bias, and the max change of gags is also positive. The net gags is positive, and everything like was in the greens. So I basically waited for another pullback into this area, and then I positioned myself here again with another 3 contracts. So basically my position was around here at the initial price, and my stop loss here. Then I had like around 80 ticks stop loss and 600 ticks take profit. Okay. With 5 contracts is around like 200 ticks, 200 2000 in minus, and also like 15,000, I think, in profit that could potentially happen to me. So after I saw, okay, this up move here, I thought, okay, I just try it again, leave my stop loss here, and then let's see what happens in the market. And then you have to be patient. At this point here, I was like, is this trade going to be successful, or is this going to be hitting my stop loss? But this is always like you have to consider in trading. There's always a risk, but you have a good reward if the market is going to be up. And I see if these players here don't protect their zones or protect their price, whatever, it is what it is at this point. And if the market goes up again, I would also try to consider a re-entry at this point here. So at the at 6 p.m. roundabout. And then they just chop, break, went down, chop. And then I thought, okay, here over the in the delta, you can see aggressive buyers coming to step in. And then I thought, okay, this could potentially be the trade of the day. And then I just waited, had to be patient, of course. And then the market pumped up again around like 80 ticks, got filled in with 401 contracts aggressively. And then at this point, you want to see the market again trade above these zones, because of course, if these players here don't get even higher, they are trapped. And trapped buyers are like food for the sellers, because they have stop loss as well, where they have to liquidate the position of them. So I just don't want to be greedy. I marked my zones. This also here in this area zone. Why do I want to be greedy when I can just take 2,000 out of the market and be happy for the day? Because you can also see here is lot of chop, and my bias for the day is only long. So why like trade this bullshit chop when I had to be here in and over here out? It's basically it. It's not the A plus setup, but I try to break down my thoughts on this trade so you understand more. And yeah, maybe I just missed something, but I don't know, because this is my like 5th recording because of the software. But hey, yeah, just a quick recap of the trading day today. As you can see here, 2,155 commission, 38 dollars, and yeah, that's basically it. That's the trade for the day, and I hope you could learn something from it. If you have any questions, you can ask me the questions in the commentary box or in the Discord. If you want to have this like indicator here that shows you where the zones are, where the key points are in the market, you can just text me on the Discord. I send you the indicator for free, so you can have it and give you better vision on how you can read the market. Because you can see here, the market reacts to these zones. Over here, there's accumulation, also here rejection, accumulation, also accumulating above, accumulating, then also rejection over here to the upside, to the downside, close to the zone, rejection, accumulation above here, rejection over here, accumulation. You can see it, and basically you can just back test it for yourself and try to find the edge for your trading. And for me, it's a very big help, because when I trade and don't see anything, this bullshit. See, you miss the structure for some reason. This looks like mess, but if you put this in, you have a structure. You have analysis you can use. It's also the indicator is based on magic numbers, option levels, algorithmic numbers also. So yeah, these are the key point levels where the market mostly reacts. Why not use it for yourself? Why not use it for your edge? And then yeah, try to trade with the big trades, how I traded here. Try to show you my trade for the day. And as I said, hopefully you can learn something out of this video. It's my first raw video. I'm trying to do more of these, so you can learn raw knowledge from me. Yeah, that's basically it. Have a great time, and see you at the next video. Bye bye.